According to information coming from Weibo, the upcoming Xperia Pro model will have a rotating camera ring that will control things like zoom, aperture, and focus, similar to a lens on a DSLR camera. The original post is in Chinese, it was discussed on a Japanese site, so there is a language barrier left and right. But from what we can see is that camera arrangement will be similar to the Sony Xperia Pro 1, except it will have a rotating ring encircling the lenses. There will be a single ring that will control one of these three functions at a time. The Pro Eye already has a variable aperture on the main camera. It will borrow the variable zoom lens from the Xperia 1 series. The Pro Eye will switch between f2.0 and 4.0 but nothing in between. Having a ring control, it might be overkill. However, an old rumor claimed the new Pro will go between f1.2 and f4.0 with multiple steps possible. For a long time, Sony has kept hardware two-stage shutter button on its phone, similar to that of a camera. But even back in those days, they were not quite as elaborate as this. The ring might not be for Sony's Pro own camera. Sony phones can work as external display for the company's mirrorless camera. This could work as an additional control for the connected cameras. The Sony Xperia Pro 2 is slated to be released next year, 3 years after the Pro 1. And the pricing of that was very high. That's why it didn't do very well. But let's see how will Sony price this phone.